Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, today we are checking out the brand new GS 450. Just look at it, guys. The brand new F450 looks amazing. So, today we are gonna talk about the design, the engine, the hype which is created of the bike, okay, and the riding experience, and finally, the final thing, is it worth the hype? So, design looks very premium. The design is absolutely fantastic. It one look on the bike and you instantly knows it's a GS. Yeah, it takes lot of inspiration from the bigger R1300 GS with its all tall stance, brake style front and adventure focused ergonomics. Now, let's talk about engine. Powering the new F450 GS is the twin parallel engine from BMW producing 48 horsepower paired with 6-speed manual gearbox. Okay, the bike feels very smooth. Now, let's talk about features. It comes with riding modes such as traction control, ABS Pro and TFT display which is smartphone connectivity. And plenty of more options of optional touring accessories. In city, the bike feels very surprisingly agile. On highway, it's stable, comfortable, and once the road ends, the long travel suspension, the 19-inch front wheel, and give you the confidence to tackle the rough terrain. If you are looking for a premium adventure bike that's comfortable enough for daily commuting, capable on highways, and ready for weekend trails, the BMW F450 GS deserves a place in your shortlist. It's not just a small GS, it genuinely feels like a proper BMW adventure motorcycle. If you enjoy the review, then hit that like button, follow my page for more motorcycle content, and let me know in the comments, would you pick the GS450 over the KTM 390 Adventure or the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450? Comment below. Now it's time to ride it properly. The BMW Motor Ride. So this is the top variant, the GS Trophy variant. It comes with a E-clutch. So basically, if I just put the bike in first gear, the bike will not stall and I can directly pick up the bike. Let's go. The twin parallel engine feels very smooth for the city ride. है।